Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings for this as an example. And once you have it open and visible, simply press power key and volume down. As you can see, it captures a screenshot and it gives you a couple options right at the bottom, which done for the first time will stay. And here with this little pop-up letting you know what each option is. So we have scrollable screenshot, we have edit, which allows you to like draw, crop the image, we have share, send someone, and simple delete. Now, the reason why I went with settings is because I can scroll up and down on here, which brings the option along screenshot that I can actually use. So once you tap on it, I think I missed it. Let's try that again. As you can see, tap on it and it keeps scrolling down just a little bit. Now when capturing this kind of screenshot, you do want to overshoot the content, and then you can tap on it to edit it to the point that you want to, because it does scroll with instant intervals. So you either don't capture enough or you capture too much, which too much usually allows you to shorten it, while if you didn't capture enough, you have to redo it. So anyway, from here we can select save, and this will save that long screenshot. Now both of the screenshots that I have captured can be found in the photo gallery application, or photos as it's called here. And as you can see, there they are. So this is the cropped one. And this is the non-cropped one, so the like long all the way screenshot, and then the normal one. And that is how you'd capture screenshots on here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.